Fine Gael have a superbly positive message of job creation and economic recovery to sell during the course of this election campaign. But we must sell this message hard on the doorsteps, in shopping centres and at sports events.
Our mandate to work hard on behalf of the Irish people will be strengthened and enhanced by a successful election campaign.
Canvassing is about effective face-to-face communication with the electorate to secure their support.
Canvassers are the front line in the struggle to win votes. Canvassing and canvassers are vital.
Be prepared for particular local issues. Be conscious of good and bad times to canvass. Between 7 and 9 p.m. is generally a good time.
Ensure people local to the area are available to canvass.
Have a target number of houses.
Dress comfortably but smartly. Your appearance will make an immediate impression.
It is easy to recognise a disorganised canvass, and this will lose votes. Work in pairs with the candidate floating.
Pair experienced people with those new to canvassing. Always knock on the door or the bell once.
Stand back from the door and smile. Introduce yourself and your reason for calling.
Be chatty, but get down to business quickly. Maintain a healthy eye contact, be polite, and always have a good speaking volume.
Move quickly from house to house, close the gate behind you, and don't take shortcuts over hedges and walls. During canvassing, there are 3 main types of voters that you will come across: the supporter, the non-supporter, and the undecided. With the supporter, most of the work is done. However, make sure to listen to any issues that they may have.
We've been asking for a bus shelter at the Residents Association for years, just down here on the corner.
Always make sure that you ask for a first preference vote for your candidate. If they agree, thank them. Otherwise, ask them for the second preference vote for your candidate. Never leave the door without handing over some literature. Don't be trapped by spoilers, supporters of other parties.
Sorry to disturb you. My name is Helen McEntee. This is John McGahan. We're doing a canvass. I'm a Fine Gael candidate for the upcoming general elections.
They will often keep you for prolonged periods just to waste your time. Don't ever get involved in an argument. Remember to always remain polite.
Because instead of jobs that were built on a false economy, really, these are sustainable jobs, and we're actually creating thousands.
You have the potential to really influence an undecided voter.
Hi. Oh, hi there. Sorry to disturb you.
Hi, how are you?
Councillor Neil Richmond from Fine Gael. I'm just here with Anya from 2 roads over, doing a bit of canvassing ahead of the local elections in May. Had you thought about the elections yet? Or?
No, didn't even know they were on.
No, there's 2 elections actually on May 23rd, both the local and European elections, so I'm here looking for a few votes for the Fine Gael ticket.
Endeavour to bring the candidate over to these doors.
Just tell me, what is it the councillors actually do?
Canvassing secures important electoral victories. There is no substitute for the human touch. It is better than any ad campaign or poster.